Welcome back to the channel. If your Eufy doorbell camera has been glitching, not connecting, or simply refusing to behave, don't worry. Today, I'm showing you the easiest way to perform a full factory reset in just a few steps. No tools, no tech background, just a tiny pin and a minute of your time. Let's get right into it. Before we start, grab a thin pointed tool, a SIM ejector, a sewing pin, or anything with a long, narrow tip. You'll need this to access the hidden reset points on the doorbell. Now, flip your Eufy doorbell and look at the bottom. You'll notice a group of tiny holes, but don't get confused. Only one of them matters. Focus on the bottom circular hole. This is the one that releases the rear panel. Insert your pin gently into that hole, press inward, and you'll feel the back casing pop open. That means you're doing it right. Once the back panel is off, you'll see another tiny reset hole on the exposed side. This is the main factory reset button. Take your pin again, push it into the hole, and hold it down for about 11 to 15 seconds. Keep an eye on the LED indicator while you're doing this. At first, the LED will turn red, and after holding the reset long enough, it will switch to yellow. That yellow light is your confirmation that the factory reset is complete. Your Eufy doorbell is now fully reset and ready for fresh setup, just like when you first unboxed it. And that's it. Quick, simple, and effective. If this guide helped you fix your Eufy doorbell, make sure to hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more smart home tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.